What's up, everybody? In this video I'm going to show you how to quickly hide or isolate selection is what I like to use quite a bit. It's where instead of, hold on, let me just turn on my outliner. There's a lot of stuff here in this scene, and let's say I just wanted to focus on something like this eyeball. Instead of hiding everything, what you can do is you can go to isolate selection, which is let's see here. It is this little icon right here to isolate it. And then if you click it one more time, it'll bring it right back. And this way you can just like focus on the item or the asset that you want to look at instead of hiding everything. You can just quickly do that. The shortcut for that is Control 1. That's by default already, and I think it's a very common shortcut for me to use when I am trying to look at specific things in the scene and not having to hide things and unhide things as I'm working. So hopefully that tip helps you out. See you all next time.